Alright guys, so I'm just waiting a few seconds to ensure that the stream comes up. Alright, just a bit. And we're waiting. And we are waiting. Okay, I think we're live. Are we? Yes, we are live. Alright guys, so welcome back to our CyberDream developers website redesign live build, and that's a terribly long name. Alright, so let's look at, guys, it's episode 6. Every time I start I have to keep going through this. Okay, let's look at what we're doing. So I'm going to need incognito. So we're redesigning my website for my agency. Alright, so what I'm going to do first, I'm just going to take a look at the actual website. Or normally use Firefox for this, to get rid of the cache and all. Alright, so let me head over there. So we're redesigning this website, and the problem is that what happened is when I made this website, I made like a 6-page website at first, for example, and then I had like keep adding pages, kept adding functions and services to the business. So the business grew, basically. What I started out with is not what I ended with or where I am right now. So the business grew and I kept adding services. And as I added services, I added pages, and the pages were made independently, meaning that they never followed the initial design of the website. All right, guys. Now, what I'm doing is I'm working with the homepage. A few changes need to be made on the homepage because, for example, CyberDream developers is my H1 tag. That is terrible SEO. I mean, it's okay, but it's not awesome SEO, right? And I'm working on the homepage, guys. And what I'm going to do on the homepage is I'll follow the design here, the color palette. I'm going to change the font. I intend to change the font, but this is going to be the design that goes throughout the website. Now, a few changes are going to be made. And the first page that we've, by the way, you guys are here. I'm focused on website development and marketing, but I build websites that convert. So you can go ahead and grab this free ebook. This is a wonderful book for you guys. 26 reasons why your website is scaring away customers, why your website's conversion mistakes. Free ebook. You can get it. All right. So the first page that we're working on is the CyberGrow page. Now, CyberGrow is website as a service, and that simply means that you pay a monthly fee instead of paying an upfront cost. You pay a monthly fee for a website. And we've been working on this page and we're almost done. And by the way, you can see that the caching issue has been resolved because the cache for Firefox as here is. So if you've been watching the previous episodes, you know what I'm talking about. And this is what we've done so far. I never liked the dark purple too much, but I think it's growing on me, guys, especially with this lighter purple outline. I think it's coming together, guys. What do you think? All right, I think it's coming together. All right, so we have this. This is what we're working with, and we just need to work on the pricing tables right here. And in the previous episode, episode 5, we were trying to find a design to work with, and we decided to go with this one. Funny enough, this design here, or this pricing table here, this exact pricing table here, is the same pricing table I used on Aurora Cloud. Now, Aurora Cloud is, I don't want to be self-promoting too much, but Aurora Cloud is my website hosting company. This one, premium. I have 2 of them. One is for like normal cloud shared, but this is premium hosting where you get your personal web security team with your hosting package. And this is the same pricing table here that is going to be used here. Now, the icons and the package might be different. Actually, I think the package is the same: freelance, starter, or startup, and agency. I think I'll go with freelance, agency, and enterprise. Well, enterprise is going to be using WAS, right? But whatever. The name will stay as it is. So freelance, startup, and agency. And we're going to be using this pricing table. And in addition to this pricing table, we're going to be doing 6 of them. So we're going to be doing for the first 3 and the second 3. Now, the first 3 and the second 3 refer that the second 3 is basically the first 3 that has marketing packages attached. All right, so that's what that is. So now let's get started because I've been rambling enough, guys. All right, so we're just going all the way down to the pricing table. The color palette is going to be a little bit different, right? So this is the freelance package, perfect for blogs and micro businesses and solopreneurs. I think it's spelled solo-preneurs. I think that's how it's spelled. No, it looks like this. Let me see how it's spelled. Solopreneur. Yeah, it's one word, guys. It's one word. Okay, now I was just testing with the actual pricing here, the discount price. I'm thinking we could go with it. So for a freelance, we just need one person. All right, so I'm looking for user. I think the name of it is user. Yeah, it's user. So I'm going to use this one. Yeah, I'm going to use one that works with this one. Actually, I don't need to. So I'm going to go with this one. All right. No, I'm not using that one. I'm using user. Where is it? The user, it's not there. I think it's because it's part of, yeah. All right, so this is the one I'm using, user, freelance. I'm going to leave a promotional price right here. So you get $50 off per month if you sign up now. I might actually make this into a promotion, guys. I don't know, but whatever. Now, what we need to do is we're going to need this. All right, so I'm going to need these features here, but I can't be bothered with scrolling. So I'm going to just drag this, right? I'm going to put it right here. And I'm just going to copy and paste. All right, I'm going to have to put this here as well. Actually, I don't need to. I can just delete it. I can just delete the startup package. All right. All right, so now I'm just going to copy these features here. So features, right here, features, up to 9 pages. Right here, features, 9 pages. Aurora Cloud Web Hosting. Actually, I'm not going to give this Aurora Cloud. The bigger ones will get Aurora Cloud. So the agency will get Aurora Cloud. So this one is going to be Light Phoenix. I'm thinking giving it Light Phoenix, but why withhold? Why not just give them premium service? Okay. And digital pixel website security. I'm not giving this one digital pixel website security either. You know what? Let me just stick to what it is. I don't want to cheap out because I'm focused mainly on quality, guys. Not that Light Phoenix is inferior, but come on, when you get your own personal web security team who wants to give that up. All right, and that's what you get with Aurora Cloud. All right, so feature website management. Now, what I've been saying is the features. Let me show you all the features, guys. The features that's listed in the pricing table, I'm going to change them just a bit. But for now, I just need to get the actual pricing table made. All right, guys. And the reason is because for the actual feature, that's more of an in-house decision, a business decision, not so much something as part of a build for a website. You know, you get that from the client. The client tells you what they offer for what price. You don't design it based on how you want the website to look. All right, guys. Now, the features are all here. Digital pixel protection, premium cloud hosting, domain email, responsive design, SEO optimized, visitor analytics. These are some of the features, and you can boost your plan with these other features. Manual scanning, CDN, active replication firewall, live chat, targeted ad campaigns, email lead capture. So I'm going to change this from malware scanning I'm going to change it to client nurture system and all that stuff. So we're going to get there. But for now, we're just getting the design done. It's not so much the actual nitty-gritty of the business that we're here to discuss. All right, guys. So we have this plan done. Website maintenance. Now I just need to add something for the button. So the button is going to go to, okay, it's already there to getting started. See, it's already going to getting started. And I need to do some styling on the button. Now, actually, I'm going to style the entire table later. All right. But for now, I just need to get something for the button because I don't like the way this button is huge. It's absolutely huge. All right. So padding 5, 5, 10. All right, so I can go with 25. 25. I don't know why the top doesn't look like 5 at all, does it? No, that looks all right. All right, so that's that for that. Now, what we're going to do is I'm just going to duplicate this, and I'm going to drag it here. And this is going to be agency. All right. So I'm going to say agency. Now, for agency, now it's actually startup, but for startup, I need a building. But a start, I'm going to use 3 users for startup. All right. So that's startup. It's not agency, it's startup, guys. Startup. Okay. And this is perfect for small businesses. All right. Now this price is, so I'm delete the freelance package. This price is going to be $500 per month. All right. And I'm going to discount it to $400. All right. And the feature, you get 12 pages, up to 12 pages. That's the major difference for now. All right. That's not the only difference, but that's the major difference for now, because like I told you, I'm going to be adding more services to this. All right. So it's not like I'm going to go in and remove stuff. I'm going to add more features to these, like client nurture systems and things that you absolutely need for ticketing system and all that stuff, right? I'm going to be putting in other things that's going to make this worth your time. So we have freelance, startup. Now we have the agency. All right, guys. So let's duplicate this, and we're going to take it to agency. I'm going to remove this. Okay, now this is agency. And then this is perfect for businesses, for growing businesses or medium businesses. Actually, for growing businesses, the price should be $700 per month, up to 15 pages. So I'm going to go with the features first, up to 15 pages. 15 pages. The price should be $700. So I'm going to say $700 on the price, and sale price is $550. So you save $150 per month when you sign up right now. All right, guys. So that is that for now. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to remove this part. I don't need that. Pricing plans. How much does it cost Okay guys, so how much does it cost? And then right here, I'm gonna go with, I don't need this. I don't need that. All right, so that is that. Now we have 3 of them. That's the first 3. That's right here. I've removed G Suite because with using G Suite, it's gonna cost me more. But with the hosting packages that you get from Aurora Cloud and Light Phoenix, you get unlimited emails and email management and the like. So we don't need G Suite. That's why I've removed G Suite. And in the event that you leave CyberDream, because you can't take your website from CyberDream, right? There is a way to get it. You're gonna have this extra cost for G Suite, where you might want to just start over from scratch and everything, right? So I've removed G Suite for that reason. Now I don't need this, but I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna be working on plan 4, 5, and 6, and I'm gonna just name these duplicate. All right, guys. Is it right? Okay, so now I'm just going to add some space. Actually, I'll use margin. I'm going to use 60. All right, and I'm going to add 20 to the margin. Actually, add 30. So now these are the ones with marketing. So these are going to be my plus plans. All right, guys. Freelance plus and perfect. And so it's perfect for solo blogs. It's supposed to be blogs and solopreneurs with no brand recognition. Let me just add the S to blogs right here. All right, with no brand recognition. This is going to be startup plus. This is perfect for small businesses who need to connect with new clients. And then this is perfect for growing businesses. I don't know why businesses is capital B. Who taught me English? Perfect for growing businesses who need a solid online presence. Okay, and I don't know why I have this. My English teachers would be embarrassed. So let me just fix this real quick. And by the way, this is not a copywriting master session of any sort. Neither is it SEO. SEO and copywriting is going to come at a future date. I actually don't do copywriting. My friend Aya from Tiny Dragon Bytes, she does the actual copywriting. If I need copywriting services, she's the one I'll go to. So you guys can check her out. That's tinydragonbytes.com. And oh yeah, that's Agency Plus. I never put it. But SEO, I'm going to be doing an SEO course, because I'm going to, after this build, I'm going to do a website redesign for Digital Pixie. I've mentioned Digital Pixie. It's like a website security company that I own. So I'm going to be doing a website redesign for them, and that is going to involve SEO. All right. So now what I've decided to do is I'm going to remove the actual discount from the first plans, because all right, wait. All right, so I'm going to remove the sale price from this one. No sale on the first plan except for the agency. And for the plus plans, these get discounts. So this is going to be $1,000 per month. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change. So it's $1,000 per month. it's gonna be discounted to $9.50 per month. So $50 per month. Actually, yeah. And then this one is $1,100 per month. It's gonna be discounted to $1,000. $1,100 is gonna be discounted to $1,000. And this one should be $1,400. Okay, so this one is $1,400 per month. All right, $1,400 per month. This is $1,150. Actually, $1,100. Let me be generous to you guys. $1,100. Wow. All right. So that is that. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this because I need to get the features from here. So up to 9 pages, domain, email, account. So let me just drag this all the way up here. All the way up here. So up to 9 pages, domain, email, account. So what I actually need is a marketing part. So I need social media marketing. All right. Social media marketing. 2 social media accounts. All right. So feature 2 social media accounts. And I'm using copy and paste with Control A, C, Control A, Control C, Control V. So $200 minimum ad budget. And that's just a monthly fee. Like you literally can't do much with that. That is why it's not so much a solid marketing strategy. We have those. I'm going to talk to you about those at another time. Control A, Control C for copy, and Control V for paste. Control A for highlight, Control V for paste. And then now I'm gonna go for SEO. Alright, so I don't need to do that. I just add SEO by typing it. And inbound marketing. I'm not putting inbound marketing here. I'm gonna add email marketing though. Alright guys. Because inbound marketing is a lot more difficult than that might give. Now, what I'm going to do is I have to realize that these features need to go over here, but I can easily type them because I don't have to scroll. All right, guys. So I can go right here, feature, add item, and this is website management, social media marketing. And then now, all right, add another feature, 2 social media accounts. And then now, what was the minimum ad budget for this one? So 200. It's also 200. I'm going to change it to 300, guys. Minimum ad spend monthly. Just ad budget. I won't use all of it all the time. It depends. And SEO, inbound marketing, email marketing. SEO, inbound marketing, and email marketing. Alright, and now for this mother of all plans, we're gonna have feature. Alright, so what I'm gonna add is social media marketing. Yep. Then I'm gonna add 2, it's actually 3, I think, social media accounts for this one. There we go. 3 social media accounts. Okay. And now we have 5 $500 in ad spend. You can't stretch $300 across 3 website platforms. You have to go $500 minimum ad budget. All right. We have SEO, inbound marketing, email marketing, SEO, inbound marketing. Inbound marketing is a broad topic, guys. Email marketing. And I already know that I'm adding client nurturing, and I am adding client relationship building. Or maybe nurturing would be good. Alright, so it's gonna have a little bit more features, as you can see. Alright, so what we're gonna be doing, look at that. So it looks different from these. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add these 3 to another section because the design looks so different. So I'm gonna work on these now in terms of the design. Alright guys, so first off, I'm gonna have to get rid of the background image because, well, size, so remove that image. Let me see if there's an overlay. There is an overlay. Let me get rid of that. I'm using a white background. That's what I want to use. So I'm going to use a white background. Not a full white, but this white or something a little bit lighter. And that is not light enough, so I'm going to have to go with this one. Alright, now that is going to be our primary. This is going to be our supporting purple. Alright, we have that. Alright, now so we're going to be designing these. Edit pricing table style. Background color is white. Let me see how it looks like this. Nope. I'm going to be using the darker white actually. I'm going to keep that white. Border type solid. Nope. Let me see now. It's not really shown, is it? Not really. So now the border radius 15. Is that alright? Yep. Okay. Now header, the background of the header. Now color white, and the subtitle is going to be used in this cyan. Alright. Pricing, the color for the pricing will be green. Original price is green. I have a green. The icon is gone. Pricing icon. Oh yes, I have to turn off sale. Alright, so style, pricing, original pricing, currency. I still use the screen. Okay, $400 per month. Maybe for the pricing, I could change it to something. I do like green. I like green. Period for the pricing. Go with that. Separator. Go with that. Okay. Feature list. Let's see if I can left align. I didn't think I was able to do it the last time. No, I cannot. But feature list, color, disable item color, icon size, typography, icon settings, background color of the icon. There we go. Background hover. Is that icon color? Could keep white. Icon hover. That. There's Okay, that's that for that. All right, now the button needs some work. I'll keep the button green actually. I'll have a bit of animation if I can when I hover. So let's see now. Text color is actually that. The background is white. The border is that. Actually, so text. Okay, so I don't have hover animation, it seems, but that's fine. I'm thinking of going with the orange again. Yep. All right, so we have something to work with. So let me just paste that. There we go. Now I just need to turn off sale on price. Okay, and the currency needs to be added. All right, so now right here I'm going to paste style again, but we're going to have to work on this part just a bit. All right, it is on sale. All right, so style and pricing. Okay, so the original price is going to be in purple. Nope, I actually have not gone onto the right one. This one. All right, so the original pricing is going to be in, actually let me just keep the orange consistent, and I'm going to make it a little bit smaller, 18, and the original currency separator is orange as well, and let me just change the size of that as well. Okay, and I'm going to change it to red actually, guys. Alright, so that's that. We need to change the color for the sale price, beautiful green, and that is okay as it is. Now what we're going to be doing is the button looks like it should be purple, guys. The button looks like it should be purple. So I'm going to change the button to purple and white. Yep. Let me put on a shadow. And let me see how that looks. Yep. This is what I'm going to work with. This style. And if you notice something, the sale price looks better if it was red. So I'm going to change the sale price to red. Alright, so pricing, sale price, and I actually got to use the red. Nope. Sale price is green. Original price needs to be red, is what it is, and the separator needs to be red, and this is going to be 18, and this is going to be, let me start at 16. Okay, and the separator, well, currency actually is going to be green, beautiful green, like I said. All right, so this is what we're going to be working with, guys. I'm going to copy this style because this is a style that goes consistent with all of these because these are discounted. I'm just going to paste style, I'm going to paste style, and I'm going to paste style. All right, now that I've pasted style, and I've pasted style quite a lot, I'm going to remove this because I'm going to have to copy this. This is like monthly payments and the like. So I'm going to paste it right here. Paste it right here. And discounts apply. Apply to the first 2 months of the payment period. All right, so you get 2 months discount. It's actually a generous offer considering how much you save, right? Because you don't have to pay this huge upfront cost and everything you're getting. Nope, it's not margin. This is it, intersection. Okay, so I'm gonna go 80. Now what I want to have happen is I need to have somewhere to put this, right? So I'm gonna delete this section. All right, and I'm going to get a new section. One section. I'm just going to copy this. Actually, I'm just going to drag it here. I'm going to copy it. It seems like it won't. I want to save. Save. And done saving. I'm going to paste it. And I'm going to need a heading. So I'm going to copy. Wait. I'm going to paste it here. Actually, I need to paste it. I just need to copy this, guys, and paste it above this one. Paste it, and it's pasted below. Let me just drag it. There we go. And I'm going to get this section now. I'm going to copy, and I'm going to paste it. Paste it here. It's going to go below. Goes nicely. I need to have some space at the bottom. So I'm going to add 40 to my bottom, and then I'm going to work on this one, edit section, and I'm going to go with another 50 at the bottom in the margin, and I think I might do 20 in the padding, whatever. All right, now what I'm going to do is okay, just a second, guys. There was something. There's hair product on my finger, and I used the hand with the hair product. Okay, I'm typing with one hand, guys. It's hilarious. Generation system, and then it's gonna be convert visitors to clients. And I'm going to just change the style, the size just a bit. It's emphasis. I don't want that. Okay, so we're getting there. We are getting where we need to be, guys. And now I need some space in the top. top 60. No. Right, 90. Okay, guys. So what we have happening here is the actual person table looks to be done. It looks to be done, guys. Now, something is terribly wrong. Okay, so this is the This is a system with marketing. All right, we get that. Now, I have two of the same plans, do I? No, I have the starter plus because it was copied. So I'm going to remove this one. Just going to remove that one. All right. And there are two different whites at work here. I'm thinking the actual dark white works a little bit better. I know dark white is a funny way to put it. So I'm just going to paste that. Okay. So I think I pasted that to the column, guys. I did paste it to the column. Okay, so something is not what I want it to be. Okay, so let me see now. Where is this white coming from? This white is coming from this paste style. Ah! Oh no. Okay. Let me just edit section. Style. Background. I'm setting the white that should be there. That is that. Now this one right here, I don't know where that is coming from. I need to find that section. Oh, so this section needs a white, guys. And it's also here, so it must be coming from this one. The intersection style. Let me just change it to the white. It could be coming from anywhere, guys. That's not it. I'm gonna have to search for it as well. Oh boy. I have this white right here, guys. I don't know where it's from. I'm gonna have to search for it. So if it's this section, it shouldn't be because there's the background that's set already. So let me see. Okay, so that has been set. I can change the border, solid. I don't need a solid, but I could change this to 15. Okay. Okay. Style and border. I think I went with 10. Alright. So I'm gonna go ahead and edit section. I'm gonna remove what? Oh boy. Oh boy. Overall section. I'm trying to get finished quickly because the thing started raining, guys. I don't know if you've heard it, and it's not really. It's not really working with me at all. So I can't find this stupid white. Where's that white coming from? Oh, finally. Remove the bottom. There we go, the white's gone. Whew. So it's the intersection that's causing that white to come or to appear. What? Okay. So I'm not getting that white. I got it here. So I'm just going to copy what I have here. I'm going to paste the style. And let me just copy this as well. Ah, it's still there. Oh boy. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna get it done. I don't know where it is. I know it's not here anymore. Alright. Actually, let me see if it's from the top. Ah, whew, finally. I work with a margin. I'm padding then. And let me add 80 to the bottom. Whew, finally found it. What a pain. What a pain that was. And it's gonna be the same for here as well. I need to remove that. Okay. Alright guys, so this page is complete. This page is complete. There's a little bit of space right here, but you know what? I'll work with it. Alright guys. So that is that for this page, guys. Finally. And this looks wonderful. So this page is cyberdreamdevelopers.com/cybergrow. Alright. So we're just going to scroll through. The hero is going to be changed at the final stage. So I'm just going to leave it for now. Alright. CyberGrow website as a service. Your road to online success. I'm thinking I could change these from white to orange to fit with this. And we continue. We need a CyberGrow WAAS. That is going through. It looks okay. This looks okay, guys. Pricing plans. All right. Okay. Power by conversions. Let's resolve your issue. Get your CyberGrow online presence. Okay. So this looks okay, guys. This looks okay. So what we're going to be doing in the next lecture is next episode, we are going to work on a different page. I'm thinking maybe the CyberGrow online presence support page. That's a really quick page, but we're going to be working on something. When we get here, digital marketing, oh my gosh, you see how many services are here? And then these are going to take a lot of time. A lot of time. This is probably going to be a 20 episode build. Actually, probably 25. Just because of the digital marketing services pages. And then I have something called a client transformation system, where it's a complicated system where you get an intricate marketing system that gives you a set solution. So for example, lead generation or client nurturing or email marketing, but it's done a lot more intricately than simply just getting Facebook marketing. It's like you need conversions for an e-commerce store, and we focus mainly on conversions for an e-commerce store. And that involves a lot of things besides Facebook ads, right? It's not even ads, it's like decision-based or decision-focused marketing or outcome-focused marketing. So we don't use the medium as much as we focus on the result. And I haven't explained that properly. Okay, so thank you for joining with us today. I am going to sign off now. We will be back later for the fitness website build. I'm going to try to finish that maybe in 3 hours. I don't know. We just need to add the affiliate links and some products and do the home page, and that should be the end of that website. So thank you guys for joining. Subscribe for more awesome videos. See you soon.